Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Ready to begin, like the wonder take hold.
Let me draw you in, watch the moment unfold. Spark a dream that we're meant to follow, setting out for a new tomorrow.
Every step we take brings a new hope, a new day.
Every choice we make helps us find our own way.
Every wish finally put into motion, diving in with our hearts wide open. It's just beginning.
So make a wish and hold on tight. There's magic in the air tonight, and anything can happen.
Your destiny lies within you. You just have to be brave enough to see it, and then your journey begins.